So we're making kale punch today. Kale punch, and the reason I call it kale punch is because it's so sweet and delicious. So we're gonna start out. We have 6 leaves of red kale. So we're not gonna juice the stems. We're just gonna take the leaves off of the stems. So we have then we have 1 golden beet. Then we're going to add 4 organic colored carrots. Then we're going to add about 2 cups of red grapes. And then we're going to add a half of a pineapple. And we're going to add 4 apples. Now we're done with our prep. Look at all that delicious nutrition. We got our pineapples, our red grapes, our organic carrots. We have our red kale, our apples, and our golden beets. Now it's time to juice. There you have it. That's your kale punch. And so that's going to give you about 50 ounces of nutrition. Now, let me tell you, this juice is so good, you're going to feel guilty because you're going to think this can't be healthy. But it is.